So many colors. I feel a little mixed up. That's okay, Lila. We can look together. Let's separate them into little color layers. Oh, then it will be easier to see. Pink here, yellow here, purple here. Oh, now I can see them clearly. Oh no is in the wrong basket. That's okay. Let's put it in the right one. Now the colors are easier to see.
Yes, clear layers help us see and think clearly.
Which colors first? Let's use pink. It's so pretty. Pink first, nice and gently. Yellow next, layer by layer. Purple makes the last beautiful layer. Now our colors made a rainbow garden. Oh, this pink one goes in the pink layer. You're right. Now it looks like a rainbow. Little layers helped us see clearly. And now our garden feels so beautiful and complete.